Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. We also have a fantastic Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below. For the month of July, Tracy is our host. She put together this great mood inspiration piece. I am drawing my inspiration for this layout in the upper right-hand corner. I am doing a 4th of July layout. In front of you, you see I have pre-matted 3 photographs. I have some scrap papers. My foundation paper is going to be the white with the navy blue stripes. And then I'm layering on top of that this embossed blue paper from Close to My Heart, which I cut 10 and a quarter by 10 and a quarter. That beautiful red blue flower paper is from Bo Bunny, and I cut that 7 by 5. This blue paper, this little 3 by 3 blue paper is from a Paige Evans collection, and I am inking the edges with black water-based dye ink from Close to My Heart. And like I said, I cut that 3 by 3. The yellow paper, I trimmed it 3 by 3 and 3/4 because I'm going to have a little gap between each of my paper layers. And you'll see that in a minute. It's a grid design. The red paper that you see, that little red strip there to the left, I will also ink the edges of that strip of paper, which I trimmed it 1 inch by 7 inches. All right, while I am just a little bit ahead of myself and you're watching me ink the edges, I want to remind all of you that I will have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies links to their channel so that you can go check out what they created this Monday. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to all of our channels. Show us some love by giving us a thumbs up. And that brings traffic to our channel. And not only that, it inspires other people that you and I may not know, because we are getting traffic to our channel to inspire them to document their memories in a fun, creative way, because that is what this is all about, is to share the love of scrapbooking. All right, so now you're going to watch me figure out my grid right here. And I do end up, you're going to see in a minute, I'm going to switch the blue and the yellow around. And I'm just eyeballing it. And it does help when you're eyeballing and laying down your grids if you are using a mat in the background like I am using from Close to My Heart, which I just love this mat. And if you do not have a consultant and you like some of the products that you see that I am using or would like to check out Close to My Heart, I am a consultant and I will have my link listed below. But that's not what this video is all about. It is about documenting our memories in a fun, creative way and showing you how to put page kits together so that you can get those memories documented. All right, so I've laid out the grid of my papers. I am laying out the grid of my photographs, which were pictures I took of fireworks back in 2019. And now you see that in my page kit, I emptied out the embellishments that I pre-selected. And if you did not watch my kit reveal, which you need to go watch, as I stated, I try to use everything that's within my kit, my page kit first before I go outside of it. And if I can just only use those items, then that is fantastic and great because I'm getting my products used. All right, the flag, US flag, the United States where it says Land That I Love, those come from an old Paige Evans, no, not Paige Evans, Pink Paisley collection. And I mean that it has to be 3 or 4 years old. I'm not sure where the camper came from, what collection. It's kind of a cream base. I don't even want to guess. But anyway, I'm going to layer all that up. there in the lower right-hand corner. I have this word love, and that also came from Pink Paisley. Oh, I can't remember the collection. I got it last year, and it's one of my last pieces left from that collection. The stars I made myself. I used close to my heart star dies, and then I took some vellum paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby's, and one side is clear and then the other side has a frost look, and I used the side of the frost. So I cut out those stars, and then I just used wet adhesive, cut out my the vellum piece, and just glued it on there. Now I'm using some tiny word alphas, and my title is going to be Plenty of Love. And so there's the word of. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July. Considering COVID-19, I hope that there were some, maybe you live in some small towns and they did some fireworks. We were fortunate up in our mountain retreat property that we have a great group of people that are able to get a hold of some fantastic fireworks because they have the license to do that. And they put on this awesome display. So it was great. Great time. We did it last year, and we all just kind of pitch in as far as funding this project, and we did it again this year. And so we were blessed. I know, there probably wasn't a lot of that type of festivities going on. I'm not sure. I wasn't following the news. But anyway, back to my layout. I'm using the enamel dots that I pre-selected. I have red stars, and then I had some blue circle ones. And this layout is complete. I have the close-ups coming up at the end. And like I said before, please do not forget to check out the other ladies. All their links are listed below. Go to our Facebook group. Play along with us. The instructions are over there at the Facebook group site. And again, we want you to use your products, get out your scrapbook supplies, get out those photographs, and document those memories and do a little bit of journaling. All right, I appreciate you all. Thanks for supporting our channel and our Facebook group site. Keep coming back. Give those thumbs up so we can have more come. Check us out and be inspired to scrapbook memories. We'll see you next time. Bye.